Hey, hey, hey. Break it down, one chick with some money, eh.
She gon' break it down for the huncho. One call, she pull up pronto. She do what I say so. Drip till her tiptoe.
Hi guys, welcome back to taoofjaz. So I'm trying to find like a copacetic place to like film. That's crazy. Anyway, so I'm moving from one state to another, and what I did not do is show you guys, I didn't give you an apartment tour of this apartment. I really like this apartment. It's like a studio. I'm a studio girl. Until I buy a house, I will be in studios. I don't need this much space. I don't need a lot of space, so I like studios. I like very quaint spaces. So I figured, I was actually taking shit out to the what do you call it, I was taking shit out to the garbage can, and I was thinking like, dang, I didn't even do an apartment tour. This is not mine. I don't know, one of my neighbors probably moving or something. But so this is my old bookcase. I have all of my books. I actually just packed up my books, so I'm moving in like 34 days. This was my pride and joy when I got my first apartment like 6 years ago. Like the first apartment by myself. I grabbed this from the Goodwill and I painted it. I got some paint from the Home Depot, went to go pick out some paint. And yeah, I made this book. I didn't make it, okay? Excuse me, I pretty much put it back together and then I painted it and then I used it. Y'all, so it's just like a cute little memory that I have or whatever. And yeah, I'm actually in this fucking garbage room and it smells really bad. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave, but I wanted to show y'all that because of the simple fact that I didn't get to show y'all, and I'm about to give y'all an apartment tour. And hopefully it's not too dirty, because I didn't plan this. I literally am doing this on the whim because I just want to do one. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So I decided, y'all, just to do a quick voiceover, just because y'all know I talk so much, okay? So to the right of the door is my little shoe rack. I got it from Amazon for $10. It's so cheap and flimsy, but I like it and it's simple. This is my bathroom. Excuse my mess, y'all. As I said before, this was an impromptu like little video. I really I did not plan this, and I'm just like, I should have planned better, but I'm doing what I can with the time that I have. So yeah, I have stuff everywhere. Like my tissue normally is under my bed, but because I'm removing everything from under my bed, it's just a lot. I have a standard shower with a revolving shower head, of course. This was a deal breaker for me this time when moving, so I'm excited my new place actually has a tub. And then this is my kitchen. I have dishes in the sink, y'all. I feel so trifling for posting this video, but I'm like, whatever. At least y'all get to see my 600 square foot apartment. I really love my apartment too. This is just like a little storage area. So I actually wanted to make this like a little reading nook, but the guy, I know he couldn't, at the time he couldn't build a staircase for me, and it was just too much. And by the time he could, well, I was moving. This is my couch, y'all. I got it from the Salvation Army for like $23 in perfect condition. This is also like a little stand that I painted that I love oh so much. This is my balcony, and this is one of my favorite features of my apartment complex. So yeah, this is my balcony, and you can see the pool from down here. You can see the basketball court at night. The lights light up. We have a fire pit down there. It's just bomb, great energy. I'm probably the loudest person in the building, I feel. I play very loud music. This is my lovely chair I bought for myself for my birthday last year. Everything in my apartment I absolutely love. Like I'm one of those people who everything in my house serves a purpose, and if it doesn't, it's gone. But this is my little work area. That desk is from Target. Also, that little yellow thing is from Target. Oh, this is where my bookcase was. The bookcase that I just showed you guys. I have my bookcase here in that box. I don't know if you can see. I have some books there. This little chalkboard thing was created by someone who used to live there prior to myself. They just put this door up last summer. I was a bit confused because I'm like, bro, I haven't had a door since I've been here, but I don't know. They're trying to do some funny stuff. But anyway, I could have went without the little door. This carpet is actually from one of my YouTube friends. She bought me an Amazon gift card, so I always, I'd be like, girl, you bought me a rug, girl, for Christmas. This is my room, y'all. That little stand is also from Target. My bed sheets are from Target. Salt lamp, I don't know where I got that from. I forget. I think I don't know, Home Goods or something a while back. And yeah, this is also this little stand right here, y'all. I absolutely love it. This is also something that I painted myself, There you go. You can see the picture right there. Okay. I painted that myself, and I'm just so proud of my little customizations. Okay. I need to be more creative, but I don't know. I haven't been making time for it. But yeah, this is my closet, y'all. This is my closet. I feel like I love studio apartments. The only thing I absolutely need is like a larger closet, which I'm going to have in my new place. I'm going to have two closets, two parallel closets. And so it's going to be more than enough closet space. But yeah, these are my clothes, y'all. My little storage bin with like my bras in it and my little socks and stuff. Real simple. I have my washer and dryer in the closet, and that's it, y'all. There's nothing else to see here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I think my studio apartment is 600 square feet, and I absolutely love it. I would be here. I would still be here if I wasn't moving out of the state, y'all. Just saying. This is the gym, guys. There's somebody in there, so I don't want to record too much. But my favorite feature of this whole building. I actually just came downstairs to get some footage just for you guys. Yeah, I came down here just to get some footage for y'all. But yeah, I really like this building. I really like it here. I've been here for almost 2 years, and I love it. Not really much else to say. It's a really cool vibe, lots of cool people, nobody bothers you. I don't bother people, of course. You know, people say, oh, they don't bother you. Are you the person that bothers? I'm not. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's go get some coffee, I guess. But other than that, so I really just wanted to say thank you for watching. Before I depart Nebraska, because that's where I've been this long, for like the last 6 years pretty much. Yeah, that's where I've been at. So I just wanted to share. This music is loud. Well, it's not as loud as it could be, but it's loud. Let me tell you about the chick from the West Coast. Light skin, baby, her, but she do the most. She like to bust that ass on her tippy toe. Hey, cocaine at tiptoes. Riding like the whip stove. Binges in my bra when my titties need a lift though. But yeah, just wanted to share. So thank you guys for watching. Stay at peace and in love.
Cocaine and tiptoes, ride it like the whip stove. Benji's in my bra with my titties need a lift though. Prezi on my windows, Prezi in my